Rene Lancaster is a Comedy Store comedian, and we're also working with him on a TV show for Garblick. Me and Jacob are helping to produce and write it and whatever else needs to be done to get it sold. One day we're at a notes session where Rene has written a pilot, we give our feedback to try to get it as good as possible, and he brings up the fact that he got the opportunity to host a show at the Comedy Store. And he asked if we could help. The Comedy Store is one of the greatest comedy clubs in the world, so fuck yeah, we're gonna help. Here's what happened. When Rene came to us, he had permission from the booker for the room, so they gave him a spot. It was 10:30 p.m. on a Sunday, which for comedy, if you guys don't know, the most popular nights are Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday at 10:30 is not really the best night to have a show, but we're grateful for any opportunity. This is sick. And Rene has a lot of connections at the Comedy Store in terms of knowing a lot of comics because he's been there a while. So we saw this as a cool opportunity. Let's get the best lineup we possibly can and try to drive people, even if it is 10:30 p.m. on a Sunday. The organizer said in order to set up an Eventbrite and start doing signups, we needed a lineup. That meant we needed comics on board before we could actually secure the room. Luckily, Rene knows a bunch of comics. The first one he got on board was Kyle Dunnigan, who has been on Reno 911, and he was just on the Joe Rogan podcast.
Kyle Dunnigan, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I'll push you in. The door's closed.
What do I do with my time? I'm a grown man.
Yeah, you're an actual full-grown man.
I'm an old grown man.
I love Kyle Dunnigan. I'm hyped, so I make a video to announce it on our Instagram.
Just heard from Rene that we've got amazing comedian Kyle Dunnigan for our show at the Comedy Store Belly Room, 10:30 on Sunday.
After we got Kyle Dunnigan, it was like things fell into place. Rene kept texting me different comics we had signed up, and I kept making different Instagram videos for him.
Just heard from Rene that we got one of his favorite comics, Fahim Anwar. This lineup is out of sight. Just heard from Rene we've got Ron Taylor on the lineup.
Now we have all the comics together, so I put together a poster. And I've been doing some poster work for Clown Sound, so I was well prepared for this. Rene had a few notes, a little bit of feedback on the poster, so I redid it, and here's the final version. Once the poster's done, Rene secures the room, and Jacob, my little brother, who's on the Garblick team, starts running promotion.
How do we promote? What do we do?
Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Facebook groups.
We get there the night of, and I'm a little worried. Rene texted me before and said 62 people had signed up, but there was nobody in the room.
Full of spirit.
Empty people.
So they do open the doors and a bunch of people start flooding in. 10 people, 20 people, 30. We ended up with 44 people at the show, which for 10:30 p.m. on a Sunday is amazing. And Rene was happy too.
Show's over, Rene. How'd we do, man?
It's good. You do. Good first turnout. Is this going on Instagram?
Oh, yeah.
He's got great hair. Look at that hair.
How's the lineup? What do you
Lineup
think?
was fantastic.
Good
Turnout was good. Next one's gonna be even better.
In all, it was incredible to be a part of this. It's amazing how somebody can hustle so hard and build a great lineup. This show should not have happened. This lineup should not have happened at this time slot. It really was like almost a main room or an original room show in terms of the quality of comics. And the audience was super engaged. They were laughing the whole time. I'm blown away, and I'm thankful that we were even allowed to be a part of it. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Why am I saying it like this? I'm Alex Berman. Thanks for watching. Sub if you want.